If you would like to create a team, you'll want to start by making sure within the Teams application you are currently in the Teams area, as you see it selected here from the left navigation. You should see a white panel that has a listing of any teams that you may be a member, owner, or guest of currently. At the bottom of this panel, select Join or Create a Team, and then over to the right, select the blue button labeled Create Team. From here, if you'd like to create this from scratch, meaning it's not something that's already a group workspace that is part of Office 365 that can be connected to a team that you're creating. Well, for this, we'll select Build a Team from Scratch. We want to make sure this is not something that's connected to anything else. We're completely building it from scratch. And then, once we have that team established, it also creates the SharePoint site that is connected to this and the Office 365 group that is connected to this. The next step is what privacy needs to be set up for this? What kind of permissions? Who can join this team if they're able to search and find for it? Or is this a team that they cannot search for and find it? That would be a public team. A private team where the owners have to approve or add them to the team. Let's go ahead and select private, and let's give the team a name. Let's call this Event Management. A description is something that is optional. If this is a public team, it might be helpful if they're searching for this to kind of understand before they join, is this the type of team that is going to be helpful for the kind of information I need for the project I'm working on, or can I get some answers to the questions that I have from these team members? In this case, we'll leave it blank for now, and then select Create in the lower right corner. Next, it's asking if you would like to add members to this event management team. You can skip this if you want. At any time later, you can add members and also remove members as needed. Let's go ahead and add a member to this. Let's type in Pierce Boyd. As we type the name, it recognizes that name from the corporate address book. Let's go ahead and select it. And if you have additional members, continue on adding the names until you're ready, and then select Add. We'll see Pierce Boyd's name listed here. And over to the right, it shows that Pierce is a member of this team. From this drop-down arrow, we can also make Pierce an owner of this team. We'll leave him as a member for now, knowing that Heather Fremont is the person that created this team. She's going to be the only owner. A good best practice is to have more than one owner of a team. That way, if that person is on vacation, maybe away working somewhere remotely that they do not have internet access, there's someone else still available to manage that team. All right, let's go ahead and select Close in the lower right corner. And in the Teams area, we should see the new team that was just created, along with the general channel that comes with it. And that's how you can create a team.